Hello, this is Lynn and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be my first video about building a Python model, and it's going to generate random accounting transactions and then come up with a general ledger. So this is what I have now. I made a list for each of the um, account category: asset, liabilities, net assets, revenue, expenses. And then I just set sample size for 6 for now. Some accounts are special. For example, depreciation expense. When you debit depreciation expense, you cannot credit investment. It needs to go to accumulated depreciation. If it is depreciation expense, it needs to go to accumulated depreciation on the opposite direction. If it's accumulated depreciation on one side, it needs to go to depreciation expense on the other side. It's not super realistic because we don't normally write off accumulated depreciation. I mean, we do, but we don't normally credit depreciation expense. But I'll just leave it for now. If it's asset account, then the other side will go to revenue. If it's a liability, if liability is a liability, then the other side will go to expense. The thing now is too complicated now. So I'm planning to change it a little bit. Okay, so we can see So the first one is we debit accounts receivable, credit sales. It's pretty cool. Debit salaries, credit notes payable. It's a little bit long. Third one is we debit travel, credit notes payable. It's not so ideal, but it's acceptable. Next one with debit prepaid expense, credit grants. That is not so realistic. The next one is with debit accumulated depreciation and credit grants. Why it didn't fall under this category though? Accumulated depreciation. The last one is deferred revenue, credit rent. So other than depreciation, accumulated. Okay, accumulated depreciation. So, other than depreciation, we also need to link deferred revenue to cash, prepay expense to cash. Why I want to figure out why this didn't accumulated depreciation. Why it didn't fall under this? Okay. Now if for revenue or prepaid expenses. So it's not right. I don't know whether I can do this though. Let me try it. It's fine. Oh. It's all okay. So we debit sales, credit cash. If we understand it as a refund, other revenue, debit other revenue, credit cash, a refund. Debit fixed assets. Why it goes to cash? Why it all goes to cash? Let's try this. Generate actual transactions, random transactions. Sorry. Okay, perfect.